Now see, Venki has made a red and white shape. You can see this. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get the shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. You can see Venki has made. Now see here, the mirror halves. We will cover this part, so mirror halves image of left side part will be this. Okay, now here we have to find where we will place the mirror. Okay, let's start. You can see the image and the position of this shape is this. So what we will do, we want this, okay, on the bottom. So place mirror, if you will place in this, so left hand side you will get. Then in C, the position of box in the shape is this, in this way. Now where you will place on the bottom, okay, and this we want, so half, so right hand side part. In D, C, shapes. Now where we have to place this here, so because we want some this, so my left hand side part, mirror image you will get. And here, okay, here if you will get this, because we need this here part, so and half. So my left hand side, you will get the mirror image in this. So when you will join, you will get. Okay, now see on the page number 77, what is in this? Half a ton. Half, that means keep in your mind, suppose that, always keep in your mind, this is the clock position, so here will be 12, 1, 3, 6 and 9. So half turn, that means 180 degree. Okay, so once there was a king, तो राजा ने, भाई राजा था तो क्या, he was upset. Okay, वो उदास था, because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looks like. Locker looked like in this way. Part and whole also related, है ना? The shape of locker. Okay, 1 by 2. Here 1, 2, 3. Not equal part is there, but in this equal part is there. Okay. So let's come to the point. Okay. Now what happened? The locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. Half a turn, suppose that it's, and when we half of a turn, that means 90 degree. So this yellow part will come here, and this will come there, this will come there, and this here. So here will be there. So another half turn and the locker would be locked again. So see here, when you will half turn, it will open, and again half turn, it will locked. The king would often leave the locker open, thinking it was locked. Why? You can see, if you will take, this will take half turn, it looks like same, and again half turn. So confusion is there, and because of confusion, Raja द किंग मेड मिस्टेक. वो क्या समझता था, हाफ टर्न दे दिया तो बंद खुल जाएगा, हाफ टर्न दे दिया तो बंद हो जाएगा. अब हाफ टर्न में वो समझता था कि मैंने बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि पोजीशन उसकी कोई चेंज नहीं होती थी. अगर यहाँ पे कलरिंग पार्ट भी थोड़े भी चेंज होते तो अगर हाफ टर्न, अगर ये कलर यहाँ होता तो हाफ टर्न लेते तो वो यहाँ आ जाता और फिर हाफ टर्न में वहां चला जाता, तो पता पड़ता ना कलर चेंजिंग होता तो. बट येलो इन फ्रंट ऑफ, तो पता ही नहीं लग सकता था उसको कि कब मैंने बंद किया और कब मैंने उसको ओपन रखा है. दैट्स व्हाई, तो उसकी सिली मिस्टेक के कारण उसका बहुत सा सामान चला गया. Why? Because locked, when the locked, it looks like the position, both the positions are same. Okay.